So, good day children. Welcome back to the second last chapter of your English grammar and composition book, Punctuation and Capital Letters. And this thing you've been doing since class 1, and in every class you're going a level ahead. So children, full stop, comma, question mark, you have been doing, and you all know what is that. But exclamation mark are also you people are acquainted to. These all are called as the marks of punctuation. And punctuation brings clarity to your writing. When the person is reading your writing part, your punctuation makes it clear and it helps that person to read that thing according to what you want to say. See, I need a dictionary. This is a simple statement and it is beginning with the capital letter and ending with a full stop. Then bring a dictionary to me. This is a command beginning with the capital letter and ending with a full stop. And these things, tone of your speaking, it depends on the sentence. When you're giving a command, you're just a little confident. Bring a dictionary for me. So ordering voice is there, but it is not differentiated from the statement with the help of any punctuation marks. It is just like your pronunciation, how you're speaking the sentence. Then the question mark, it is used to end a question. And whenever you are asking a question, the tone of speaking is somewhat different. Like, do you watch serials? It is like a question. And your speaking itself tells that a question mark will come at the end because it is a question. Then what kind of cereals do you enjoy? You cannot just simply say what kind of cereals do you enjoy. This is when you're speaking, it is showing that it is a simple statement. But if you are speaking in a way that you're asking a question, that what kind of cereals do you enjoy? This is asking question and it ends with a question mark. Then comes your exclamation mark. Again, it is used at the end of the statement. And children, this expresses something like a sudden reaction. Like, what a stupid answer she gave. See, if I say, what a stupid answer she gave, it becomes a simple statement. And if I say, what a stupid answer she gave, this, my pronunciation, my speaking, it is suggesting that it is a question, but actually it is not a question. It is exclamatory sentence and it has to end with an exclamation mark. And my speaking will tell, like, what a stupid answer she gave. So this is exclamatory sentence. How kind of you to have come. So it is an exclamatory sentence. Now, the comma indicates the shortest pause. When there is a comma in the sentence, it means you have to take a little pause, small pause. Like, our heroes can sing, dance, ride, swim and flight. So I did not take a break between swim and flight. I took a pause wherever the comma was required. So when a person is speaking, somebody is dictating you something, and if you know the punctuation marks where to come, and that person, the speaker, also knows where to come the punctuation marks, he will speak the correct way and you will definitely write the correct punctuation marks on the correct place. Like, our heroes can sing, dance, ride, swim and flight. Here, with the pauses, you come to know that here comma will come. And generally you know that comma is used to separate the words or phrases in series. You have to separate them. Itani sari hai, like 1, 2, 3, 4 things are there. You have to separate them. This you have learnt in class 1, 2, 3 and 4 also. Now we have a drawing room, 2 bedrooms, attached bathrooms, a kitchen and a balcony in our house. So children, again things are being separated. If it is written, that means in the written form you have to make out that where the comma should come. There you have to put the commas where you have to separate the things. And when a person is dictating you something, due to his pauses, you come to know that where the comma has to come. Right? Then we use it to separate a noun of a dress. See, when a name has to be separated from the statement, like Anshu, please help me clean my room. See, we are saying this sentence to Anshu, so we have to separate the name from the other sentence. When did you buy these beautiful jeans, Rajat? See, again the sentence is somewhere else and the name is somewhere else, so we have to separate the sentence from the name with the help of comma. Now we use it to separate expressions like yes, no, oh well. Like no, comma, I have no time to spare this evening. So when you are separating the expressions like yes, no, oh well, we need to write the commas. Well, I will try my best. So this well has been separated with this comma. Now come to the next page. We use comma to separate expressions like however, in fact, or too. Like Rahul lost some early points, full stop. However, meaning of however is but. Right? To separate it, we write comma. He was able to win the match. This order was, for writing in fact, we put comma before also and after also. This order was in fact issued by the principal. So when you have to read, then when the commas are coming, take a little pause. This will polish your language also, and it will make clear to the listener that what you are supposed to say, what you want to say. We use it to separate question tags. I think we have done the question tags in Sunshine book. So, you were present yesterday, comma, weren't you? She didn't take her homework seriously, comma, did she? So, to separate the question tags also, we put the comma. Now, apostrophe is used in the following ways, like, first thing, it is to show the position. Iski hai ya uski hai cheez. So, with the noun, we put apostrophe s to show that this thing belongs to this noun. Like Tina's frock is very pretty. Then, children's room should be well decorated. The teacher's flats close to the school building are close to the school building. And children, I have taught you about the apostrophe, where to come, in my one of the videos. And if you want to make it more clear, you can visit to that video also. Then to write the short forms, when we have to separate the short forms, like do not, we have to put the short form of it, don't, is not, isn't, I am, I apostrophe am. So you can see here how the apostrophe has been given. Next, we use inverted commas to enclose the exact words spoken by a person. When we are telling certain words spoken by somebody else, then we have to put that conversation, those words within inverted commas. The teacher said, comma, inverted commas begin. Let me explain to you the problem, full stop, and inverted commas close. This is what has been spoken that comes between inverted commas. The chief guest said, kya kaha usne? Put a comma here, then start the inverted commas. I am glad to see the result of the school, full stop, inverted commas close. Inverted commas are used to report certain words said by somebody. Then comes your capital letters. So you know the first word of a sentence is always beginning with a capital letter. So this is very simple. Pollution is increasing day by day. First letter of the first word is always capital. Do not tease the animals in the zoo. And then you know all the proper nouns and adjectives from them begin with a capital letter, and every line of a poem usually begins with a capital letter, whether it is a proper noun or not. Then the pronoun like I and the word O are always written in capital. O like 9 o'clock. This way now. This way O is always written in capital letters. Then important words in a heading begin with a capital letter, like a tale of two cities. See here, important words are tale, two and cities. Prepositions, when in a heading preposition is used, there we don't use the capital letter for them. We use only the small letter. Then an autobiography of a pen, again the preposition is used in a small letter. Now come to the next page where you have to do your exercises. The exercise part. Yes. Insert commas here. So let's do it. Do you need my help? Yes, comma, I do. Will you speak a bit loudly, comma, Rachit? It is to separate the name from the whole sentence. Then the room was small, comma, dark, comma, dirty and smelly. Delhi is one of the most polluted cities, comma, isn't it? See the question tag. The question paper was very difficult. Two questions were, see here we are using in fact, so before and after in fact we write the comma out of course. Oh, comma, I didn't know that. Had this exclamation sign before I, then then at the end only full stop should have come. But here the exclamation sign is at the end. So here after oh, we write the comma. Then all our hopes lay with Gaurav. He, comma, however, comma, got out in the very first over. See here it is not beginning with however. That is why we are separating he, the pronoun, from the word however. Then insert apostrophe. A chemist's shop. Chemist's shop. See the difference between a chemist shop. A chemist shop means this is singular. And here chemist shop is plural. So we are putting the apostrophe after S. Then Vikas's bag. It is between the two S's. Then women's hostel after N. Then the kangaroo's pouch before S. Officers' flats. See, this is done wrong. Here it should come after S. See, flats are plural, so officers should also be plural. So here it will come after S. Then baby's dresses after S. It's a plural. Dr. Das's class between two S's. Then children's literature after N. This child's parents after D. Then put in inverted commas wherever needed. So wherever such certain words are spoken by somebody, there you need to put the commas. See, who has made these curtains dirty? These are the words spoken by somebody. So we'll put them within the inverted commas. Angrily asked the mother. Mr. Nobody. So this is what has been stated. So this will come within the inverted commas, then comma, then inverted comma, said Prerna. Pussycat, comma, pussycat, where have you been? Putting inverted commas for these statement. Ask the child. Children, if you have to put a full stop, comma, or question mark, these things also have to become within the inverted commas. You cannot put these signs after closing the inverted commas. So I've been to London to look at the Queen. See, this is which is said by said pussycat. So we'll put them within the inverted commas. What can you tell me about the great scientists of 18th century? Question mark. This should be put within inverted commas. The teacher said to Vibhu. They're all dead, comma, ma'am, comma, and inverted commas are closed. Now punctuate the following passage using capital letters wherever necessary. So this has been done for you. You can simply copy it down because many things are there. If I speak, you will be confused. You just watch it, make it clear how to do, take a screenshot, and then copy down in your books. That's all with this chapter, children. We'll meet with the last chapter very soon. Goodbye.